Hello guys, welcome to TechWhistle. Today I want to introduce you about the 8N8, the flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams. So I want to show you how to set up it in N8N Cloud and set up it in the local environment. So after that, I want to show you how to build a simple N8N workflow. Yeah, okay, let's jump right in. We can set to N8 Cloud. Yeah, if you don't have any account, you can start to register it. And when I have the account, I can to sign it. Okay, here is the NN UI with the workflows, credential, and a project. We can also use N8N in a local environment. We can use with Docker. When you have Docker, you can run Docker desktop. Yep, and we can search to Docker N8N Docker run command. Yeah, okay, save it and run as administrator. Yeah, no, you can access to the localhost. Yeah, it's the same the UI we can set up to your account and access to anything. Okay, now right to N8N Cloud. I want to show you how to build a simple workflow like this. Example with a workflow I create to Webhook. This Webhook is post method. We can use the program to test this. We can parse the body like a question. Could you explain about the internet? And send this workflow will start. And I send this, the workflow will run and send to my email. Yeah, the result is OpenAI answer like this. So I will show you how to create a simple flow like this. Okay, and example we can create a new workflow. Okay, demo. First of all, we can create a webhook. With this webhook, we can create get, delete, head, part, post, put is a RESTful API. If you're a developer, you can follow with that. I can choose the post and with the post in API question. Okay. Um. Okay. Example we can to the edit AI question for two. When relationing, we can edit this for two, and yep, we can see the body. Can you explain about the element when I send it to the postman? Okay, we hope good. And the next we set up the OpenAI with message model. You can choose a message model from model like GPT 4.1 mini, the newest version in OpenAI. Um, about the setup account I have set up before, or we can, if as you new, you can create a new credential and go to the OpenAI management, OpenAI key. Yeah, in the OpenAI platform, you can go to the API key, create new secret key. Example to test internet and create key. This will show you to secret key. You can copy it and paste to the API key like this, and try it. It's a bit good. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna shoot and the prompt you can use. So expressions you can get from the body in the webhook. Like this, you can choose this in the left side. Input question is set to prompt. Sorry. Okay. As you can see, with the JSON.body.question, you can get the result like can you explain about the N8N, and that's this step. Mhm. With the content is not good, you can edit the prompt with some good value. With me. You can ask to the please answer clearly in plain English without returning instruction, block, or structure object, and keep the response easy to read, concise, and human-friendly, like you're explaining it to someone new to the topic. Okay, maybe I test step. Okay, we have the good output, like human reading the content. So yeah, I think it's great. We next to the send email. What? Why? Maybe we can use the model more cheaper. Oh, I don't know what happened. Why is deactive? Maybe about my key. I will see the use. Deactivate? Why? Oh, maybe we can send an email. Okay, to send the email, we can set up to SMTP server. We can go to the Google TMP setting. Google for developer. Mhm. So, Google app password. So and sign into the Google. So create a new password. New and edit and create. You can copy this password like this and with can set a new at MTP account like with the user password. We can paste the password here, host at mtp.gmail.com and port e 465. Okay, enable else and we can retry this. If so, connection test successfully is good. So send from email to success. More the expression with expression we can hmm, I don't know why. December. Okay, this, but it's undefined. Maybe it's beyond the OpenAI API. Okay, I will check this now. To check why is the API. Maybe we can use Turbo. No, enable not to SQ. Save. Okay, we can sign up to JSON message content, and we can test the step. Hit the camera. Yep. It's a new message, right? Okay. Now the flow is work for me. We can test it in the webhook. So, example, we can change the question type with introduction and send it this. Oh, we should open the test flow and send this. Version. Run the OpenAI and send email. Yep, Richard is an American businessman and politician who served as. Okay, it's good for now. So thank you for watching.